Well, Christopher Vasada did make an appearance this time around in front of the judge here, but he was in a wheelchair, and it's unclear if that's due to the illness that kept him from appearing in court yesterday or from the gunshot wounds he suffered during the killings that he's charged with. Christopher Vasada entered court in a wheelchair. Unclear if that was due to the sickness that had him vomiting in his cell Tuesday or complications from the 2 gunshot wounds in his buttocks.
He was medically not feeling well. He'd been at the hospital for like 6 weeks, so he's having issues and he wasn't feeling well. To what extent, I didn't ask.
The judge read the charges. Vasada facing 3 counts of premeditated murder with a firearm, 1 count of premeditated attempted murder, and possession of a firearm by a felon. Deputies say Vasada confessed in the hospital. He's accused of storming a house February 5th, killing 3 people, and trying to kill a 4th.
It's a life sentence that he could be looking at, yes, for sure.
Vasada waived his bond hearing until he appears in state court with a public defender next month, but he is being held with no bond, ordered to have no contact with any victims' families who packed the first few rows of the courtroom. None of those here would comment as they left court, including the Jupiter detective heading up the case. And 3 young women here to support Vasada asked deputies to walk them to their cars. And he was ordered not to have any contact with any of the victims' families or any of the witnesses in this case. And also in court today, a young woman who says that she was victim Sean Henry's girlfriend stood up and read a letter to the judge. She says Vasada shattered her life. For more on what she said in that heartfelt letter, tune in tonight at 5 o'clock. Live in West Palm Beach, I'm Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.